Yo, what's going on, everybody? Ryan McCurry here. I wanted to go live just to talk about Snapchat a little bit. I see that Snapchat is about to do their IPO, which is an initial public offering, tomorrow. So I just wanted to give my thoughts on Snapchat, if it's a good buy or not. Am I going to be buying it? What do I think about the whole going public of Snapchat? So, first question people would ask is Snapchat a good buy? Since it's going public, should I buy it? I don't know. No one really knows. So it doesn't matter how many people say, it's a great buy, definitely buy it, or don't buy it, it's going to tank, or everybody giving predictions and people saying how much it's going to grow. At the end of the day, nobody really knows. People have opinions, they have theories, but no one knows for sure if Snapchat is going to be a good buy. So just always keep that in mind. Always keep that in mind when a new company is going public, offering shares to the public. No one really knows how they're going to do, and that's for stocks in general. I always, preach investing, but I always say be consistent and be well diversified and think for the long term. But at the end of the day, none of these analysts know specifically how any stock is going to perform, if it's going to do well in the future. But history has shown over the last 120 years of the stock market, if you're in a well diversified portfolio and you've had it at least 10, 20 years, you will make money, lots of money. But it's over the long term if you're well diversified. So Snapchat, who knows if it's going to be a good buy? Me personally, I am going to be buying Snapchat. Just, because I'm big on the theory of if I use something, I also want to be an investor. So I do use Snapchat. I used to use it, before. I haven't used it as much now. I'm big on monetizing social media. Haven't really found a way to monetize Snapchat yet. So that's why I really don't use it too much. But I'm going to buy it. If I got a couple extra dollars to invest and buy it and give it a shot, why not? So I will be buying it. I'm not recommending or suggesting anybody to buy it. I do not give recommendations. I'm not telling you go buy. No. I don't know, but I personally will be buying it. So, a lot of people think, like I said, how it will do or if it will do well or not. When I think about it, Snapchat, to me, yet they don't have an efficient business model. And I've been watching, I've been reading up and going. I've been watching some, people talk about like MSNBC and I'm a CNBC. I really like CNBC, like during the day that, have analysts on there. I don't listen to everything they say, but I do look at their perspective. So a lot of people say, doesn't really have a sound business model, and I kind of agree. I do kind of agree. I don't see a specific sound business model for Snapchat in the long term for them to really monetize everything. They kind of remind me of Twitter. Twitter started off real great, grew real fast, but now they have a problem with their business model. They have a very big problem monetizing. I heard something like Twitter, they lose millions of dollars every month. They're not profitable at all. But they have so much cash that they said Twitter can lose money for 400 years straight. 400 years and still have money. That's how much cash they have. So they have a lot of cash, but as far as a business model and monetization of their platform, they have some issues. They have a lot of issues. And I do see Snapchat, I don't see a sound business model. Like Facebook has it. YouTube, which is owned by Google, of course they have it. But Snapchat, I don't really see it yet. I mean, they're saying, I guess they're like a photo company. Instead of like quote unquote social media, they're saying like we do photos and stuff. So I guess they're big on sharing and interacting with people, communication through photos. That's kind of, I think, how they run their platform, and they want to be looked at as a business. But I have some issues with the business model. So, who knows? I will be buying Snapchat. I'll probably try to go live when I'm actually purchasing the shares. People can just tune in. So, yeah, if you have any other questions, reach out to me. But, if you use it, invest in it. That's what I say. If you use it, invest in it. All right.